Down in the jungle we be, a triple C. Down in the jungle we be, a triple C. Moab, triple the motor pots. Yeah, Moab, triple the motor pots. USB-C. Who the hell uses USB-C? Alright, we are rolling. Greetings, ladies and gentlemen. Chewy James here, Post Imagination. I have a special report. I am here with the actual Doughbird. Doughbird, do you have anything to say to the people?
Good to be here. It's been a good new start to the decade.
Alright. So we have accusations that you are in fact not actually the real Doughbird. That's right. I have from confirmed sources that you, sir, are a clone. What do you have to say to that?
Well, can't say too much at this point in time, but let's just do the research and
what research is going on with these Doughbird clonings? What mad scientist is doing this and for what purpose?
It's all about the cheeseburger.
Mysterious cheeseburger. We've heard about this cheeseburger. Apparently, in the actual Doughbird's plumage, you can find an encrypted message.
Yeah, for the geometry.
Once deciphered,
portrays the meaning of life. But you, sir, lack that plumage.
I do.
Sticking feathers up your butt does not make you a Doughbird.
No, you're right. But having cheeseburgers, I guess, does. I don't have those, but...
So do you have any, can you give us any clues of the whereabouts of the actual Doughbird?
Well, I can tell you this, it sounds like a chimpanzee at times, and other times it sounds like a wild cat. You wouldn't expect it to be a bird. But I would say in the south region of the mountains.
there you have it, people. In the south regions of the mountains, you can find it. It sounds like a chimpanzee. It's in cat country, I believe. Was it cat country? I believe it was cat country. It's at the base of the mountains. Find the plumage, people. Find the meaning of life. Get that cheeseburger. Post Imagination. Is this a show? Is it? Is that all you do? Disappointed. Thought there'd be more. Anyway, you kids suck.